Yeah, it's a Margay Panther X. The McCullough.
Whoa, that's shiny.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're at VK Springfield, and we're looking at a nice Margay Panther X. Real windy here today. Cool kart. And then right next to it, another Margay. You got a Cheetah. They're saying a 73 Cheetah, Margay Cheetah. And again, McCullough 91.
Down there in Christmas. I found that Mac on a shelf when I was down there in Christmas. Let's put it together. You're doing good.